We got some squirrel action today. We feed the squirrels. They gotta eat too, I guess. I like the birds the best. The squirrels are just tree rats. Welcome back to another fun-filled and exciting episode of It's Easier to Take It Somewhere Else. Straighten that out. Tried to straighten it out anyway. All right. I got this all rinsed off and neutralized. I'm just going to tap this close a little bit. And do some retacking here. And I'm also going to tack the other side. All right. And for some reason or other, I didn't video this, but I just put 2 tacks there and 1 tack over here. Just knock the tips off of these. That's the center. Alright, we got to go a little more over here and a little more over here on the first one and yeah, the 2 first ones. Okay. Alright, we're gonna start using the camera now. I don't know if I'm going too much, too little. I'd rather go too little. Here and here, right between the 2. Back and forth, still back and forth, back and forth. But it's I can still take still make minor adjustments on the fly over here as needed. All right, the two end ones. Yeah. Using the shrinker stretcher is going to hopefully help me stop from kinking anything. Don't want to get kinky. A little more, and probably too much right there. I hate when I go too much. Well, that ain't too bad at all. Still hate this back and forth stuff. Uh-oh. Running out of propane, which means I'm going to be running out of heat soon. I don't have my backup tank. That is my backup tank. Looks like I'm going to be making a trip. Something tells me to do it. Instead of, because that was kind of flat. Okay, this I believe that this is going to do it. Oh yeah, we can make minor adjustments on the fly. I want both sides even as far as where the seams go, so I'm going to cut off about about 1/4 of an inch, maybe 3/8. Yeah. Okay. I am officially out of propane, which means I am out of heat. But I wanted to make these pieces before I call it a day. I got the passenger side done. I'm not going to weld them in today. And I got the driver's side done. And most importantly, I got the centerpiece done. Again, they're not going to be welded in. So, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe.